We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young.
Welcome to part one, day one of our 5-day, 4-night excursion out to Vegas. It was a random trip we're taking. We're doing 2 nights at Bellagio and 2 nights at the new park MGM. So we are pulling into Barstow, which is one of the best stops on the way out to Vegas because they have everything from Denny's to Chipotle, Burger King, McDonald's, In-N-Out. There's all kinds of different food. So we're not actually getting food here, but we're stopping here just to kind of check it out, go to the bathroom, and then get back on the road.
We stopped here in Baker at the super famous Alien Jerky stop. They're making a hotel, so that looks pretty cool. This is probably one of the most famous stops out to Vegas. You'll know it because you can see all the little green aliens everywhere. You can see it from the freeway. And they've got really good jerky and other snacks. Lots of spicy stuff too, if you like spicy stuff.
We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
After our successful stop at Alien Jerky, we got 3 packs because the discount was buy 3 and you get a discount. So we got Tri-Tip Space Cowboy Pepper Beef. We got Abducted Cow Beef Jerky, which is pineapple teriyaki. And we also got another Tri-Tip Peppered Beef Jerky, so a good, nice, spicy one. And we're how far away from Vegas?
We are 67 miles from the hotel, so we'll be there
Just over an hour, right?
a little bit less than an hour.
Alright, we're ready. I'm gonna jump in a pool or something.
We're at the Bellagio, and this is our room at the Bellagio. First 2 nights, this is the bathroom with shower, toilet, double vanity, and then tub. And then moving out from there, we've got bed. Nick's laying over there. Got vanity, and then our view.
And now we're going to the pool.
Which you can see out of our room, kind of.
Did you try? Alright, let's see if I can get it. Yeah, tiny bit, see?
But that's one fountain, and there's like a whole pool.
It goes all
to
the way
right.
around to the other side.
We're going to Taco Bell Cantina and the Miracle Mile shops, which has a couple things like Earl of Sandwich and like a couple other options that are like fried. Where are we, Ashley? No, you have to turn around. Taco Bell Cantina, in case you didn't get that. So at the Taco Bell Cantina, we get these alcoholic yard-long drinks. One of the only Taco Bells you can do that. And these are nacho fries. And these are chicken nachos. This is special for this too.